Hello everyone, and welcome. I am Hiro Togashi, General Manager of Lexus Global Brand Management. Thank you for joining us today. Recently, Lexus revealed the LFC electrified concept as a hint of where the brand is heading. This is a pivotal time for Lexus. We are reimagining our product development philosophy and how you experience a brand. During the reveal, President Koji Sato shared Akio Toyoda's desire to ensure that Lexus is ready to face a changing world, with emphasis on achieving a carbon-neutral society. Lexus brings a unique perspective to mobility, rooted in research and development, yet focused on the human-centered experience, with the aim to always exceed our customers' expectations. We announced that Lexus will launch 20 new products in the next 5 years, with half of them electrified. We are evolving the Lexus driving signature in combination with various alternative fuel solutions, from battery electric, plug-in hybrid electric, to hybrid electric vehicles. This is all part of our journey under the Lexus Electrified vision. We promise to reveal 2 of those products this year. And today, we'd like to share one of those, the all-new Lexus NX, an important milestone in this new chapter. In order to ensure the most engaging driving experience for electrified and gas powertrains, we started by reimagining the vehicle's fundamentals, including weight reduction, aerodynamics, vehicle rigidity, and drive force control. These changes are present in the new NX that also introduces a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, bringing together the best of the Lexus driving signature and Lexus Electrified. To provide a little more insight, allow me to introduce Kyoko Miyamoto, head of the brand strategy team that's helping to shape this new direction for Lexus.
As we create this new path forward, we will still continue to deliver on hallmark principles that provides the sense of satisfaction for every customer. We truly value guest relationships, and we want the entire Lexus ownership experience to feel diverse and personal for each and every one of our unique global customers. In a moment, we'll share the all-new NX with you. And when I say all new, I mean from the ground up. The NX is completely reimagined with fresh design, driving feel, and new technology to add a measure of simplicity to our increasingly complex lives. Within Lexus, some say that the NX is innovative for this era, as the original RX 300 was when it created the luxury crossover segment. Just to be sure, we've compared it to a few other examples, leading the way toward the future. Take a look and see if you agree. Yes, this is truly new, developed with the intent of enhancing the lives of our customers. Ladies and gentlemen, the new Lexus NX.
You can make a statement. You can take a chance. You can do things differently. You can even reshape the future. But real change, true change, starts from within. The all-new NX. Performance that empowers you. Technology that isn't just intuitive, it's second nature. Reconceived from the inside out. To be more in tune with you.
I'm standing here with two of the development prototypes. These are just a few of the test vehicles that were used to develop the Lexus driving signature for this amazing SUV. There have been many prototypes built, thousands of miles driven, and countless simulations done in a virtual setting. This exhaustive process is done in order to reimagine the fundamentals of the vehicle that fully reflect your needs, the needs of our customers. Our new global Lexus team, led by President Sato, includes a diverse group of designers, engineers, planners, and Takumi craftsmen, all working together with you in mind. Togashi, over to you.
So there you have it, the all-new 2022 Lexus NX. Remember, this is just one of 20 new products on the horizon, half of them electrified. And we have another product reveal coming later this year. Who knows? We may even have a different kind of surprise as well. So stay tuned. Thank you again for joining us today.